Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check customer ledger in QuickBooks Online. First, we will locate the customer ledger and understand its purpose. Then, I will guide you through filtering and customizing your view, ensuring you see exactly what you need. Finally, we'll cover options for exporting or printing your ledger for your records, making it easy to keep track of customer activity. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the Sales menu on the left-hand side. From there, select Customers to bring up your complete customer list. Now, simply click on the name of the specific customer whose ledger you wish to review. This action will open their individual profile, where you can find their detailed transaction history. Once you are viewing a customer's transaction list, take a moment to understand the various entries, such as invoices, payments, and credit memos. To find specific information quickly, utilize the powerful filter options available. You can easily filter by a custom date range, transaction type, or even the status of a transaction. Additionally, sort the list by date, amount, or reference number for better organization. After reviewing the ledger, you have several options for further use. You can easily export the data to a spreadsheet program like Excel for more in-depth analysis or custom reporting. If you prefer a physical record, simply print a copy of the customer ledger. This information is invaluable for generating comprehensive customer reports, aiding in reconciliation, and supporting any auditing processes you may undertake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.